In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up automatic appointment reminders. Before we get started, I just want to point out a few things under the management area. The first one is the general area here. You can choose your practice working days. So this relates to sending text messages because you can specify a text to go out on work days only. So if your practice works Monday to Saturday, then you can set that up under here, Monday to Saturday, and hit save. And then Saturday will become a work day for you. If your clinic's not open on a Monday, you can exclude that from your working days, and that means that text messages will not be sent out on a Monday if you're choosing to send them out on work days. Now, the other thing I want to point out is under appointments, scheduler columns enabled for automatic SMS reminders. You can exclude a column so it doesn't receive automatic SMSs. So in this situation, on our test practice, we don't want auto SMSs going out to surgery 2 or the admin column. And you can see that when you go to the appointment scheduler, any column that's excluded from receiving auto SMSs will have this red triangle in the corner here. So surgery 2 and admin are excluded from auto SMSs. The next step along here, you're going to go to management and go to appointments, and the third tab along, appointment reminders. Up the top here, you do have the option to change your manual appointment reminder SMS template. So this is if you're sending manual SMSs, not by the system. That's not what we're referring to today. We're looking at automatic appointment reminders below. So you can have up to 3 going out before an appointment, and to set them up, you tick the box here. And you just follow the prompts along here. So SMS, and you choose how many days or weeks prior to the appointment you want that text message going out. So as I mentioned before, if you want to use work days only, you can choose 2 or however many days and select the frequency here and change it to work days. So if you've got Saturday ticked as a work day, it means that SMSs are going to go out on a Saturday. I do recommend ticking the box underneath sending all SMSs for the day at a set time. This is just to ensure that you've got someone at the clinic monitoring those SMS responses when they do come back. If you don't have it ticked, it means that they'll go out staggered throughout the day, depending on each appointment time. On the right-hand side, you've got the option to change your text message. So you can change it to whatever you desire. Do keep in mind the number of characters and the number of SMSs required to send it. Now, this is something you should keep in mind wherever you're sending text messages from in Praktika. One SMS can fit 160 characters. So as you start to increase those, so we're at 200 here now, you'll actually be charged 2 SMSs to send that message. So just from a cost perspective, do keep that in mind if that's something that you're concerned about. Below, you've got the option to send SMS to patients who haven't chosen to be contacted by SMS, and that's referring to what's selected under their personal details area in the method of contact on the bottom left-hand side. The second option here is send SMS even if appointments are manually confirmed. So if you're manually confirming the appointment by right-clicking and marking the appointment as confirmed, like so, then those text messages can still be sent to patients, or you can exclude those ones depending on what your preference is. If you have any questions about setting up auto SMSs, please reach out to our support team.